Today we're unboxing Red Velvet's newest album, Cosmic. I am so excited. I will say, even though I do not like this type of packaging, but it is so pretty. They decided, oh, we're gonna make the worst type of packaging, but make it pretty. So we have the hotel version and the midnight version. So I am going to unbox this version first, and the reason why I have this one on top is because of how the CD is positioned in the album. So let's get started. I am so excited. Y'all have no idea how excited I am. I can't even tell which is which. Oh, I see it now. I see the pink now. So let's get this open. I do not like this type of packaging. I hate it with a passion. Because what in tarnation? What in the tarnation? I can't get it open. Not to mention, I just hurt my finger the other day trying to close a window in my house because of the heat. Wait a minute. What the frick? It's not the plastic, it's the frickin'. It's not the plastic. It's this. It's not the plastic. I might not put it back in there though. So we have it right here, and it's like a little envelope, which, you know what, I take it back on packaging. I'm not gonna hate it on it now. Hopefully you just did not see me. If so, I can always cut myself out. You know what, I might even put it back in the sleeve. I might just leave it like this because it is so much easier than trying to fight with that packaging. I think the inclusions are not in there. Where are they? Okay. I'm trying not to... Okay. Okay. Okay, I have the signature. Okay. Okay, everything is out. I think with SM, they learned their lesson with Red Velvet. Like, doing two different type of concept books is literally just everything, because if you have not been a Red Love for long, I'm going to explain to you. SM for Red Velvet's photo books, they used to do, like, they make it a different cover, but the photos remain the same. So last era, I was still concerned of that happening, because eras before that were so bad. Like, you buy both photo books and you're just like, wait a minute, I got the same thing, but it's a different cover. It's on the spine. So we have Yuri, Sugi, Irene, and Wendy. I love this concept. Oh my gosh, what the heck? That took me way off guard. First things first, these are so pretty. I was really concerned when I opened the box yesterday. I got these yesterday late. I was very concerned of the photo cards of where they were at. After I saw the CD placement on that one, on the midnight version, I was so concerned. I was like, I hope the photo cards are okay. But I feel like SM with Red Velvet dropped their pre-orders late. I feel like it should have been sooner and given everyone more time, because I was like, what the heck? Well, you can hear the spine. This concept is so pretty. I really love the midnight concept because of the whimsical vibes it gives. Sugi with this hair. Whew. And what's so cool about this this time around with this era is ever since I got my shelf up before, I did not have a second shelf, like a third shelf. So Red Velvet didn't have their own shelf until recently. So this is like the newest album that will be joining the shelf. So I'm very, very excited. I feel like I need to get like, I have a mini, like a 3 shelf for like my smaller groups and solos, because I am definitely storing Wendy, like their Red Velvet solos, like Wendy's, Sulgi's, Sugi and Irene, Joy's, and I'm really looking forward to seeing if Yuri does it. A solo album, it would be so cool to see her do one. Like, look at this. This is so pretty. So we're gonna look at everything. This is the CD, and the fact that it comes in something like this is pretty cool. I don't want to fight to get it open, but the Galaxy Swirl, everything. Then we have the stickers, which are literally everything as well. I'm trying to make sure I don't lose anything. So the songs, I really love Cosmic. I kid you not, the day it released, I asked my Ekaton to play their new album. So when it started playing, instead of playing Cosmic, it played Red there. And I was like, are you kidding me? Like, stop it. Stop it right now. Like, these are so pretty. And someone said this could be, like, stop. I do not want to think of my sleeve-in. No. No, no, no. Is this a... Oh, it's a Wendy. I got a Wendy, y'all. A Wendy poster. So, first postcard is... Oh, is... Gary? Oh my gosh, stop! Did I really? I'm just making sure I'm not being silly. I did! Hello, Yuri? This is crazy. This is crazy. Stop it right now. I'm double checking. Yeah! What the heck? So I got Yuri. Oh my goodness, so nothing but Yuri in this one. This is so exciting. Oh my goodness, she looks so... She's in that photo card. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. I was setting my photo card over here and I did something. I'm just gonna leave the poster out because I'm like in the process of redoing my posters too. So let's put everything up. And I'll make sure everything goes into this safely. That ain't gonna work. That is not gonna work. Okay. I think I'm gonna leave the stickers out just because. And now we're gonna stick. I just put the postcard back in there. Nothing has to be perfect at the moment. So, I am not putting back on the sleeve. So, we have the midnight version, which I love this version. So, let's get this open. First things first. Yeah, I'm not sticking these back in the plastic bag. Yeah, I ripped it. So, knowing that it has like a protective layer, I'm fine. I don't know why K-pop companies keep doing this, because it is really irritating to see it keep happening. It is not wanting to open. This doesn't want to open. I don't want to continuously waste time on it. I might have to grab my scissors for this one. Yeah. There, I had to rip it. So, the pretty packaging. The gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. And the stickers are like stuck because of how long they were stuck in there. Okay, I'm just gonna set you down here for now. So we have that was scary. So okay, don't spoil me. Do not spoil me. Okay, I was making sure. Making sure I had the stickers together. So there's that. And I hit my camera. Stop moving. Okay. Like, this is so cool. Oh my goodness. Stop. And also, the fact that their album is coming to August. The album is coming out in Target next month, which is pretty cool because I will be in New York when this album drops. Yeah, I will be technically in the state of New York when I pick up this album. I am so excited. I knew I would be picking up this album in New York when it dropped because, yeah, I have both versions now, but the Target exclusive card, I'm looking forward to seeing it. I have done strategically well. I feel like with collecting, I have slowed down a lot because I have a pretty big collection. I mean, a pretty big collection. I cannot wait to show you all. I really, really want to show off my photo card collection. I really do. I just been ultimately busy. So Yuri and have similar, like hers is like a pinkish red tone and hers is more like a orange tone. So, oh my gosh. Wait a minute, how come I went to A2D? Oh my goodness, stop, Yuri. Like, look at Solgi. These photo concepts are everything. I will never shut up about them. Oh my goodness, stop. Oh wait, I skipped one. Like, are you kidding me? I do not know what happened there. It just showed up out of the blue. I think it's a bug bite. But it showed up out of the blue. I have the same exact one on my arm. And you gotta love summer because I do not like sitting outside late at night because I get bitten up. I get bit up by bugs and I hate it. Like, this concept is literally everything. So we have this CD, which, oh, now I'm seeing where you open it. That is so pretty. I'll move these over. The stickers, so cute. Is it the same? Yeah, it's pretty much the same as the other one. But it is such a pretty concept. Giving Psycho vibes. Like, the formation. Okay, let's see who I got for the... Excuse me? Soggy? What? Oh, I got Wendy. And... Oh my goodness, stop! Her signature! Oh, that is so cute, but this card! I have seen it all over the place. Oh my goodness. Ah! Wow. 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 I'm gonna gather everything up. That was my unboxing of Red Velvet's Bloom Cosmic. Oh my goodness. I just realized my camera is like having trouble focusing because of the holographic packaging, but I can't. Like, my pools, so magnificent. I can't. Literally everything. So that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell, that way you'll not miss any of my videos. Be sure to check out my description as I have discount codes if they're available. Also, important links down below as well. And also, leave down in the comments below what is your favorite song from this album. I would love to hear it down below. Anyways, that is it for this unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys for my next one. Bye, everyone!